Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show all your unread emails first in Gmail. Now you can see I currently have a different structure here or view compared to you, and that's most likely that you're probably using the default view. But in order to show all unread email first, as you can see, I have an unread email at the top. You want to click your settings gear at the top here, guys. And I would say this is the view that you might have. And in order to show the unread emails first, you want to choose the option under the inbox type that says unread first. So once you select this option, you will see that all the unread emails will be at the top and you will be able to always see those unread email first. Now I want to show you something really important as well. At the top towards the right hand side of this unread section, you have three dots here. You can click on this and you have a bunch of options here. You have the options that show that you can see 5 up to 50 items or emails at once under this section. So if I had a lot more, I'll be able to see around 50 emails under that section all at once. But the option that I really like, guys, is this option that says hide section when empty. Now if you enable this, it doesn't matter how much emails you select here. Let's say I select 50 or I select 25. Whenever this section is all red, it's going to basically hide it for me, right? And that's what I really like. So I don't have to worry about still seeing those unread emails. I can always go back and view them, right? And I can always show all those messages, but it's going to basically hide all of those unread emails. But this is really an optional feature that you can easily go ahead and change whenever you want, right? So you can always go ahead and you can manage your inbox settings by clicking inbox settings here, and you can basically have a look at these different settings as well that you can make to your inbox. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.